Hi everyone! Kamusta kayo? Today, let's talk about compassion. It is a big word, right? But something we can all practice every day. Right here in our school and community. What does it really mean to be compassionate? And how can we make a differences about compassion? For me, compassion is malasakit. It's feeling what others are feeling, especially when they are having hard time. Imagine our classmate is struggling with our subject. Compassion isn't it just feeling sorry for them. It's offering to help them study. It's about seeing someone pangangailangan or need to wanting ease their burden. It's understanding that we are all in this other. Sama-sama tayo and we need to support each other. So, how we can show compassion or malasakit in our school and community? Helping classmate is one of malasakit or compassion. If you see someone being bullied, huwag ka na lang magkibo. Is that what you stand by up for them? Or supporting a friend. If a friend is feeling down, listen to them without judging. Sometimes just being there is enough. Respect everyone. Treat everyone with respect regardless of their background or belief. Pantay-pantay dapat ang pagtingin natin sa lahat. Yun ang sabi nila. We should see each other, everyone as equal. Think about volunteer at local house or bahay ampunan or joining a school club and help a community. Right? Isa din yan sa pagiging compassion. Compassion also means caring for others or our kalikasan. Connect to community environment issues. Pampanga is known as a beautiful rice field and rivers, but they're facing challenges with pollution and flooding. It shows compassion for environment means taking care of our surroundings. Right? Reduce, reuse, recycle, pagtitipid, paggamit muli ng recycle na mga bagay. Pick up a trash. If you see garbage on a street, pick up it. Linisin natin ang ating kabaligiran. Conserve water and energy. Magtipid ng tubig at kuryente. Support local farmers by buying local products and support sustainable agriculture. Remember, ang kalikasan ay buhay. We should protect it and we need to protect it. Okay, now, let's talk about communal discernment. It sounds complicated, but it's really about making decisions together as a community. Imagine your student council in deciding how to spend our school budget. Communal discernment means listening to ideas to all of students, considering the needs of different groups and making decisions that benefits everyone. It's about being listening. Pwede tayong makinig at makialam. We should involve ourselves on it. Now, in our school and community, communal discernment can help us create a more compassionate environment. Examples. School policies. When creating a school policies, involve students, teachers, and also parents. Community projects. When planning community projects, listen to needs and residents. Now, addressing social issues. When addressing social issues like poverty, discrimination, work together to find solutions that are fair and just. Sa pagtutulong-tulong ay kaya nating baguhin ang mundo. Now, to summarize all of what I said, compassion is about malasakit. It's about caring for others, caring to each other, and also in our environment. By practicing compassion in our daily lives and using communal discernment to make decisions together, we can create better school, a better community, and also a better world. Maraming salamat. Let's all be makajos, makatao, at makakalikasan. Thank you. Hanggang sa muli. I hope this helps. Good luck!